everyone. In 3 A's to achieve, we are this week on the second A, that is affirm or affirmation. What is affirmation? Affirmations are those positive lines or positive statements which you say to yourself, which brings about a change in your mindset, in your behavior, in your conduct, in whichever area you feel you are lacking or you feel negativity is gripping you. Affirmation is like the daily prayer you do to keep yourself feel blessed and feel positive. Now, this calls us to know which area do we think is gripping us with negativity. Where do we need to affirm? To constructively see which area needs affirmation, the tool we are going to do today is Wheel of Life. So quickly grab your pen and notebook and just be with me step by step as I give you the area of life, what you have to do. As I mentioned the area of your life, and you can see the area on the screen also, you need to mark yourself on the scale of 0 to 10. On the scale of 0 to 10, 0 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, where do you see yourself in that particular area? So just give yourself points. You might feel yourself on 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 1, whatever comes to you first. Do not overanalyze, just whatever number comes to you first. When you see that area, just put it down simply, right? And what to do with it, we'll see it in the later stage, right? So now I'm giving you the areas on that wheel of life. First one, family life. Just mark yourself from 0 to 10, where do you see yourself? Second, personal life. That means about you. Where do you see yourself on 0 to 10? Third, health. Now in health, first mark your physical health, mental health. On 0 to 10, where do you see yourself? That is the fourth area. Fifth, finance. In finance or money matters, where you see yourself? Sixth, your learning or growth. Seventh is entertainment or fun. Eighth, your social life. Ninth, community or environment. 10th, spirituality. So give yourself point on all these areas, 0 to 10, right? Now just see which area you feel is lacking the most and needs to improve. As the first priority, it needs to improve. Just prioritize those scores which you have got, which is on the first priority. Now, when you have given the priority to the area, whichever you have marked, this area is of importance, and now whatever you need to affirm is on this area. Before whatever you need to affirm, you need to articulate what you feel you lack in this area, right? So for today, when you are doing this too, if you have done it with me, great. If you have not done, just do it after watching this video. Just do it and articulate whichever area you have seen you have a score which is not satisfactory and its priority, that score should move ahead or it should go near to 10. Just articulate what is the lack you see in that particular area. What to do with that lack, how to affirm, when to affirm, how to embed those affirmation. We will do it all this week. But before that, just try and see what all you feel is lacking in that particular area. Do the Wheel of Life tool this week. Any questions you have, just DM or comment your question and it will be answered. Thank you.